My name is Maurice Loriano, and I'm the principal strategist of Goals LLC. I'm also a former procurement officer for the New York City Department of Education. I had the opportunity to experience the AI training and the AI e-learning offered through ChimpVine and Danton Solutions, and I truly appreciate the practical approach they bring to this important topic. AI can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially for small businesses, educators, and nonprofit leaders who are trying to understand how to use these tools responsibly and effectively. What I value about the training is that it makes AI more accessible and it doesn't just focus on technology. It's about real world application like creativity, productivity, and other support outcomes that will save time and increase efficiency. As someone who supports, works, and with organizations and nonprofits, navigating complex systems and looking for new opportunities, I see AI literacy as essential. ChimpVine and Danson Solutions are helping learners build the knowledge and confidence needed to engage with AI in a meaningful way. I would recommend their AI training and e-learning programs to schools, educators, entrepreneurs, nonprofits, and anyone who wants to better understand how AI can be used as a tool for learning, innovation, and growth. Thank you, ChimpVine and Danson Solutions, for the work you're doing to make AI education more practical, engaging, and accessible.